Next up is Councilmember Dr. Miles with a proclamation declaring May as Mental Health Awareness Month.
Thank you, Madam Mayor, and thank you for the opportunity to read this proclamation, keeping in mind that roughly 1 out of 5 children deal with a mental health condition. It's 1 out of 3 in terms of military children. And in the context that both the American Academy of Pediatrics and American Academy of Child and Adolescent Psychiatry declared a mental health emergency this past October in light of all the challenges that our children are dealing with. So this is very, very timely. The proclamation begins as follows. Whereas in 1949, Mental Health Awareness Month in May was established by Mental Health America to encourage people to consider their mental health as important for overall health. And whereas data shows that rates of anxiety, depression, and suicidal ideation have increased for all Americans, and in the last 2 years of the COVID-19 pandemic, a higher number of children, youth, and adults have sought mental health treatment for stressors such as trauma, anxiety, depression, isolation, bullying, food insecurity, and financial hardship, and have often faced barriers to accessing treatment due to availability of clinicians, language, transportation, co-pays, deductibles. And whereas there is a proven connection between good behavioral health and overall personal health. And whereas stigma and fear of discrimination keep many who would benefit from mental health services from seeking help. And whereas research shows that the most effective way to reduce stigma is through personal contact with someone with a behavioral health condition. And whereas the city of Rockville reaches out to Rockville residents about mental health wellness and substance abuse prevention with educational seminars, as well as emergency assistance and information and referral services to support their striving for success in home, school, and community. And whereas the city of Rockville collaborates with Montgomery County Public Schools, Montgomery County Department of Health and Human Services, and local human service providers on the school year and summer programming for children and youth, such as therapeutic recreation, mentoring, Latino youth development, mental health counseling, and transitioning to middle or high school. Now, therefore, the Mayor and Council of Rockville do hereby proclaim the month of May to be Mental Health Awareness Month and encourage the Rockville community to take care of one's mental health and physical health and to seek help if needed to adapt to significant changes, to heal from trauma, and to learn coping skills for depression and anxiety, among other stressors, so that each and every person may fully participate and function in their family, school, and community. With that, Madam Mayor, I move the proclamation.
Thank you. Councilmember Ashton.
Second.
Proclamation's been moved and seconded. All those in favor, please raise your hand. It is unanimous. Thank you.